Welcome you all. Wish you a very happy Pongal. I am Sundar from Symphonia Wealth. Today I am going to give you a very interesting idea where you can save tax and also create wealth. As in Tamil we say, Ore Kallula Rendu Manga. Similarly, if you can have an instrument through which you can also save tax and create wealth, what a great idea would be to start this new year. Generally, the month of Jan, Feb and March is when many of us actually try and plan for our taxes. Because this is the time when your HR person will be asking you what investments you have done and please provide the proof so that we don't deduct the TDS. And we all know that there is a section called ATC which is applicable for individuals where up to 1.5 lakhs you can invest in certain instruments whereby you can actually pay a lesser tax. So let's first understand through this chart what I have shown how your ATC can actually impact your overall tax outgo. So I have taken an example of somebody who is earning 12 lakh rupees not saving under ATC and somebody saving under ATC. And the assumptions made here are he has only a salary income and no other income. If that is the case, on a 12 lakh income, somebody who does not plan for his taxes would have ended up paying 1.79 lakh rupees as tax. Somebody who had planned by investing 1.5 lakhs under ATC will have to pay only 1.32 lakhs, which means he would have actually saved about 46,000 and odd rupees in a single year just by making his tax planning right. So let's understand what are all the products which are eligible for you to get that ATC benefit. There are many products as I have shown you in this chart. Your PPF, your insurance, your tuition fees which you pay for your children's, ELSS scheme, and there are many other things. So instead of getting into each and every product, I am going to tell you a very simple idea of the most popular ones and the most effective ones. The most popular ones among most of us are taking an insurance policy or buying a home loan so that you get a tax benefit under ATC. Both are very popular and unfortunately these are to be ignored kind of options because these definitely save tax but does not create wealth for you in the long run. What are the most effective ones? I think that is where we need to spend a little more time. The most effective ones when it comes to saving your tax is your PPF and ELSS. Okay, what is that ELSS? ELSS is nothing but a equity linked savings scheme. It's a mutual fund scheme investing in a diversified set of portfolio where they can invest across sectors, and the lock-in for this category is only 3 years. So you can invest and also grow your wealth as well as save tax. The other option is PPF, which most of us know. It's a public provident fund where your lock-in is for about 15 years. So among the two most effective ones, which one should you choose? So I'm going to give you a very simple comparison over a 20-year period between PPF and ELSS. Since the limit is 1.5 lakhs per year, if somebody kept on investing from 2001 till 2021, which means over a period of about 20 years, he would have actually invested about 31.5 lakhs. And if that money was invested in a PPF, his maturity would be around 79 lakhs. Whereas if the same amount was invested in ELSS, the maturity would be about 2.61 crores, which is a difference of about 1.8 crores, which is large. As we all would have heard about PPF, in fact, there are many investors who are smarter are also taking this ELSS route. And as we speak, end of November 30th, 2021, already about 1.3 crore folios have been created under ELSS category and close to about 1,50,000 crores is managed under the category of ELSS. So the people who are smart are taking the wiser decision of investing in a ELSS scheme whereby they are able to save tax and also create a lot of wealth for them. So when it comes to tax saving, always settle for the highest wealth creation idea, which is your ELSS scheme. So thank you for watching. Hope you found this video interesting so that you can create a lot more wealth and also save tax. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Symphonia Chennai and please press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching.